Hey there, Pisces. Welcome to your reading for the week of July 11th. Let's see what's going on for you this week. Looks good this week, I have to say. So, let's see here. You start off with the Six of Hearts. You know, good card. It's come up for pretty much every single water sign this week, I think. I know there are only three, but still, I think it's come up for every single one. It's a card of harmony and negotiation, being better at negotiating things, and also a return on energy. If you've been putting energy into things, basically, and haven't been getting it back, this is a good card because it represents a return on that energy, and it represents just better things happening, just things kind of more going your way, so to speak, with this card. So, really good card. I have been saying that I think 2016 is a much better year for Pisces. Maybe the past couple months have been a little bit, a little bit shaky, but I do see July is much better. August is even better than that. So, I definitely think things are improving for Pisces. And next you have the Ace of Spades, which represents overcoming obstacles. So it looks like you could solve a problem this week, overcome something that kind of maybe has been holding you back in a lot of ways. There's definitely this holding back type energy here. Six of Hearts definitely represents having been held back, and so this is a good card for overcoming obstacles and moving past things that are holding you back. So I really like to see that. And it can also represent a total change card. It can represent just totally things changing for you, but the card, it does take a little bit of time. It's one of those cards where it's like kind of represents growth in a lot of ways. So things take time to grow, but this could be you starting to see the little like sprinklings of things getting better. Next, you have the Jack of Spades. Weirdly enough, this card has come up quite frequently this week. So, this is a card, there must be something in the astrology. I'll have to take a look, but it's definitely a card of being tricked. So watch out for tricks, and watch out for people who are tricky. Watch out for anything that sounds good to be sounds too good to be true. Watch out for get-rich-quick schemes. Pisces, we are the classic sign of falling prey and victim to get-rich-quick schemes and things like that. And that's definitely one of the things. Pisces can become, I always say it, can become more successful than pretty much any other sign, but there's always that danger of getting pulled into something tricky. What I think it is for Pisces is that Pisces, I think you want something very stable. I think you want true stability. Maybe whereas in the past you've built things just for like the quick buck without a better way of saying it. Maybe you've just been doing things just to get the quick payoff, but now I think you're looking for things to build more long term. This goes for everything in your life. I know I said the quick buck, but this goes for relationships and spirituality and all sorts of things. I think now you're finally realizing you want something long term. You want these things that last for a very long time. And that's what this card is all about. Four of Diamonds. Building long term sustainable systems and relationships in your life. So I think you want that. And, but I think there could be a little bit of temptation creeping in this week to, do something maybe less than honest, or something along those lines. So just be cautious of that. I wouldn't say don't get too worked up about it, but just definitely keep yourself honest this week. I'm not saying that Pisces is a liar or anything. Of course not. I'm a Pisces, but just stay honest. Let's put it that way this week. I think that will keep you going the right direction. You have the Ten of Spades coming up next. Probably thinking about all the stuff you've been through, and maybe going back to some of the difficulties you've been through. I would definitely say try to let that stuff go. It's all in the past. Sometimes Ten of Spades, I feel like, is a card of getting stuck on the past, getting stuck in the past, and dealing with past issues. Let that stuff go. You no longer have to deal with it. Next, you have the Nine of Hearts. Amazing card. It's a card of wishes, getting something you wish for, getting something you hope would happen. It's just simply a wish card. It's very similar to the Nine of Cups in the Tarot. So, very good card here of wishes. And you even end with the Three of Hearts, which is a card of emotional happiness. So I think really you end on a high note this week. And actually, the week looks really good, even with that Ten of Spades, which can be a, not such a great card. You have some amazing cards here. So definitely looks like a good week for you. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the week.